Have you ever stepped out of the shower, reached for a towel, and felt disappointed instantly? Instead of soft, fluffy comfort, your towel feels rough, stiff, and lifeless. You wash it regularly, you dry it properly, and yet, it never feels like those luxurious hotel towels. So what's the secret? Are hotels using some expensive product you don't know about? Or is there a simple trick hiding in plain sight that nobody ever told you? Stay with me, because once you learn this, you'll never wash towels the same way again. Before we reveal the secret, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon for more smart home hacks you'll actually use. Why towels lose their fluff over time. Most people think towels get rough because they're old. That's only half the truth. Towels lose fluff mainly because of product buildup. Detergents, fabric softeners, hard water minerals, and even body oils slowly coat towel fibers. The biggest mistake everyone makes with towels. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes without realizing it: using fabric softener. It sounds ironic, but fabric softener is the enemy of fluffy towels. It leaves a waxy coating on fibers that makes towels feel soft at first, but ruins them long term. That coating blocks absorption and causes stiffness after repeated washes. The real secret behind fluffy towels. The secret is shockingly simple: vinegar and baking soda, but used separately, not together. Vinegar removes detergent residue and mineral buildup, while baking soda restores softness and neutralizes odors. This combination resets towel fibers, allowing them to fluff up naturally again. It's not about adding more products, it's about removing what doesn't belong there. Step 1. The Vinegar Reset Wash. To revive your towels, start with a hot wash using white vinegar instead of detergent. Pour about 1 cup of vinegar directly into the drum. This step alone often makes a huge difference. Step 2. The Baking Soda Boost. After the vinegar wash, run a second wash using half a cup of baking soda. Baking soda balances pH levels and relaxes towel fibers, allowing them to expand and hold air again. This is where the fluff starts coming back. Your towels will already feel lighter and fresher after this step. Used separately, they work like magic. This small detail is the difference between average results and hotel-level fluff. Drying matters more than you think. Even perfectly washed towels can feel rough if dried incorrectly. Overdrying damages fibers and makes towels stiff. The secret is to dry towels on medium heat, then remove them while they're slightly damp. Give them a quick shake before folding or hanging. This allows fibers to relax instead of hardening. How often you should wash towels. Overwashing also kills fluff. Towels should be washed every 3-4 uses, not after every shower. Washing too often accelerates fiber breakdown. Giving towels a short break between washes keeps them fresher longer. The towel storage trick hotels use. Storage matters. Towels should be stored in a dry, well-ventilated space, not tightly packed. Crushing towels removes air between fibers, which reduces softness. Fold them loosely and avoid stacking too tightly. Why new towels sometimes feel worse than old ones. New towels often come coated with manufacturing chemicals. That's why they don't absorb well at first. Always wash new towels once with vinegar before use. This removes factory residue and unlocks true softness from day one. The emotional difference of soft towels. Soft towels don't just dry your body. They change how you feel. They make showers feel relaxing, bathrooms feel cleaner, and daily routines feel more luxurious. Small comforts matter more than we realize. Fluffy towels aren't about price, brand, or luck. They're about understanding fibers and treating them right. Once you remove buildup, stop using fabric softener, and dry correctly, your towels transform permanently. Click the link in the description box to join our free cleaning community. If this towel secret surprised you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon for more simple hacks that upgrade everyday life. Share this with someone who keeps buying new towels, because now you know the real secret behind fluffy ones.